Oh, man, what is that?
It is an old Wrigley's Gum Vending machine.
Okay, I'm assuming it took a nickel?
Yeah, it looks like it did. That's about all I can figure out.
Yeah, and Doublemint probably was their most popular gum. They won awards for the jingle, Double the Fun. Everybody remembers the twins, and coincidentally, but there's two twins right there.
I came to the pawn shop today because I wanted to sell my vintage Wrigley gum dispenser. I've been a Wrigley Juicy Fruit fan my whole life. My granddad actually kept a pack in his pocket, so it brings back some memories for me. I'm looking to get $500 for it. I mean, everybody knows Wrigley's gum. Somebody's got to be out there that finds something like this valuable and wants to buy it.
That's cool. Where in the world did you get this?
Actually, my granddad was kind of a pack rat back in the day. And when he passed away, we went through his garage, and he had about 1 million old things like this. And this one looked kind of cool, so I kept it for myself.
The Wrigley Company is the world's largest maker of gum, period. It was like in the 1890s, William Wrigley moved to Chicago, and he was actually selling soap, but in order to get people to buy the soap, he was giving them free pieces of bubble gum. The funny thing was that his gum was more popular than his soap, so he stopped the soap and just started selling the gum. What do you want to do with it, man?
I want to sell it.
You have any idea of what you're looking to get out of it?
I was hoping to get $500 if that's possible.
You know, we all got a dream, man. Goals are not a bad thing. But $500 for this, I mean, there's no way. Here's what I'm gonna tell you, buddy. There was millions of these things created, and you'd have to almost give it to me for free, and what I would pay for it, I'd almost break even restoring it.
You sure you can't make me an offer? I mean, it seems it's really old. Somebody might find some use out of it.
I mean, there's no money here.
All right.
All right, man, take care.
Thank you. I was a little bit upset. I came in here thinking he was gonna make me an offer, thinking that there's somebody out there who will buy it. Should have been valuable to him. I absolutely think he is making a mistake by letting me walk out of that door with that vending machine.